You need a really sharp knife. I use the stone to make it sharp. A couple times across at the right angle. Get a nice edge. If you don't have a sharp knife, you're going to butcher the fillet. Get it flat on the table. A short knife, a little flex to it. I like to cut an angle right about here. You leave a little meat when you do that, but it's better off having a clean fillet. Right, so right in like that, straight down. When you go down, you feel the bone. When you feel that bone, you turn the blade sideways on that bone and you skim across like this. See, that made one clean cut across. And then I lift it up, get the blade underneath it. And you can see on this side what that looks like. This is all bone. And you just work the blade under the meat, flat on the bone like this. And then you have one fillet. You see on this, bone. Same thing on this side. I'm going to go straight across. And when I go down, I feel it stop. It hits the bone. And I turn the blade sideways. And then I just run it up along the bone sideways. All the way as far as you can go to the tail. Show you this way so you can see a little better. I keep the rag underneath it that keeps the fish from sliding. Very hard to do if the fish slides around. So now you have your two fillets, and this is what's left. You know what? You did a good job if you could almost see through it. A little bone there. So now we have the fillets, and we have the skin on it. Put the fillets flat as you can. Take your longer knife, again it's got to be sharp. Get your fingers down and just kind of push it down. And work the knife. You got to push the knife. Let the knife cut. Work it. Done. And there's your fillet. Stuff on the edge is just waste. It's kind of like part of the fin. This little piece on the end here just pulls off. There you go, done. And that's our bag of fillets from today's catch.